Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So after a long time again, I'm talking about Reef Finance. That what's the price of Reef, what's the price changes so core, and guys, I'm also doing a technical analysis trying to detect the next move of Reef Finance is in the future. There's possibilities that the price of Reef Finance will pump or dump. We discuss this all thing in this video, so guys, keep watching this video complete. And if you're new on my channel or if you don't subscribe, so kindly subscribe now our channel for more news and update videos. This time, guys, if we talk about the currently live price of refinance, so 0.020745 USD dollar, that is the currently live price of refinance. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes update of refinance, so now the last 1 hour change is about negative 2.1%. Last 1 day change is about positive 6.22%. Last 1 week change is also negative 5.16%, guys. So these changes is completely going negative. Only the last 1 day changes of refinance is positive. Let me show you the price chart of refinance. You can see, guys, at this time absolutely the price highly pumping. I love this pump of refinance, guys. That is called quick jump. You can see that is the last 1 week price chart, and you can see here just in last 1 week the price pump. You can see here recovered the dump just in last 1 day, and absolutely in 5 hours they recovered this all dump. So guys, that's mean that cryptocurrencies changes your life in a second. Guys, now refinance is in the huge pump. I suggest for all of my viewers, my subscriber, that it's holding time, it's not a selling time. Just hold, forget it, guys, to the last of October. You found refinance positive with the last of October, guys. So my recommendation for all of you is hold, and my prediction is 100% positive about refinance. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about refinance? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.